Welcome back, Fabrication Nation. The topic of the day, plate clamps. Okay, there are several ways to lift plate. There's suction cups, there's magnets, there's the good old brute strength. Get a couple of guys to manhandle a plate. Not recommended though. And then there's plate clamps. So I have this one here. I purchased it not too long ago. It's fairly new, and it is a Campbell brand, and it has a 1-ton capacity, so that's 2,000 pounds, and it has a 1/16 of an inch mouth up to a 3/4 of an inch. So what that means is you can pick up as small as 1/16 of an inch in these jaws, all the way up to 3/4. And if you look inside, you can see there's a jaw in there that has teeth, and then on the other side there's a jaw that's kind of flat and it's got a couple teeth on it as well. So how this works is the plate goes in as so. And whenever you release, it applies tension, and then as you pull up on this, it grabs more tension. So it actually uses the weight of the plate to create a stronger bond, and it grabs into the metal. And then to release this style, you push this lever in and it releases. Other styles will have a lever right here on the side, which is convenient. This one here, I don't remember the exact price, but I want to say it was around $300, somewhere in that price range. And you can see this one is made in the USA, so that's nice. So that's enough talking about it. Let's see how this thing works. Okay, I got my super secret black box over here, and I have a 6x6 plate, 1/4 inch plate here on the ground, and I have to lift it up and weld it to the back of this super secret black box. So I'm going to use the plate clamp, and I'm going to use my gantry crane here to lift this up and get it tacked in place.
Beat me up, Scotty. Beat me up, Scotty. Beat me up,
Scotty Styles on the beat again. About to get real for a second here.
Styles beats.
Yeah. What the world needs now is some different stuff. I'ma grab it by the balls and lift it up. I'ma lift it up, ain't dropping out, I'ma lift it up. What the world needs now is some different stuff. I'ma grab it by the balls and lift it up. I'ma lift it up, ain't dropping out, I'ma lift it up. What the world needs now is some different stuff. I'ma grab it by the balls and lift it up. I'ma lift it up, ain't dropping out, I'ma lift it up. What the world needs now is some different stuff. I'ma grab it by the balls and lift it up. I'ma lift it up, ain't dropping out, so watch me lift it up. First take with no Stephen A. We gon' cheat today and get people late, cause they're diesel tank. Maybe buy a couple stocks and Frito-Lay. It's whatever, chill, endeavor, chill. It's what make a motherfucker want some more, chill. And if you got it, then I gotta get it. That's what make a motherfucker want some draw, chill. I'ma blow it like a professional, chill. Everybody gonna know when I smoke, chill. Taking throw till I don't get a hoe. Take a home, put her clothes on the floor and it's on, chill.
Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
dropping out, I'ma lift it up. What the world needs now is some different stuff. I'ma grab it by the balls and lift it up. I'ma lift it up, ain't dropping out, I'ma lift it up. What the world needs now is some different stuff. I'ma grab it by the balls and lift it up. I'ma lift it up, ain't dropping out, I'ma lift it up. What the world needs now is some different stuff. I'ma grab it by the balls and lift it up. I'ma lift it up, ain't stopping now, so watch me lift it up. Scene 2 and I swing through with a mean crew and a couple of trees. My team do what the freaks do. Got breeze with you, now they fucking with me. This is why my guy from the new match. Done paid mine off, now I'm due dead. I be stepping on the stage like who next? You hit it like a ping.
There it is.
You dead. Now I'm back up in the booth, preparing for damage. Cops come and I swear that I vanish and smash on my shit like I'm Aaron Hernandez. I scare the masses and I'm born to bump and bang rhymes. I told you